Hey guys, my name is Valentina, and today I'm here with my boyfriend.
Oh my god.
Okay, so his name is Jose.
Hello?
You know, this is my buddy right here. We've been dating for almost 2 years, and I brought him here today because he's gonna try to do my makeup. I was planning on showing him a photo of a YouTuber that already did like their makeup, and I want him to recreate it. We've been going out for almost 2 years, so I feel like at this point, like, you should know the drill. Like, you should know.
I don't know.
But, like, you should know. I feel like you need to know. This is crucial.
You see, you take, like, 2 hours to do your makeup.
Okay, but, like, one day, what if I'm sick and I need you to do my makeup?
I'll try my best, but, you know, I don't know the steps.
Well, you're gonna learn today.
Okay.
So, this is what we're gonna do. If you like what you're watching, please comment, like, you know the drill with that. So yeah, I guess we can start with this video. Okay, so for today's video, I am going to show him a photo from Nikki Tutorial. Are you ready for it?
No.
Well, let me show them first. Okay, so this is what he's going to try to recreate. Oh, are you ready? This is what you're gonna do. Okay, so here's the photo.
Okay.
And now, do you?
Oh my god. You ready?
Yeah, so like, what's the first step?
No, you're not. You're scared right now. I'm pretty scared, I know that.
Okay, so what's the first step?
We'll do some brows on there. Oh, which ones are the brows?
Let's see.
No, this is mascara. Wrong one. Sorry. Cabrow. See, alright, so I'm gonna use this.
You have to show them what it is.
Yeah, hold on. Oh man. This is all no like focus, but it's called Cabrow.
In what shade?
Cream gel brow. It says color with brush. Oh my god. I don't know what the shade is.
It's not a shade. It's telling you what it is. You literally read everything besides one thing.
Shade 5, I guess? That's what it is? I didn't know that was a color. What?
I'm scared.
Alright, for the other side?
Oh, that was it? Oh, okay. I mean, okay.
I don't know. It's supposed to be more?
Do you, boo-boo? Do you?
Alright. Let's see.
Jose, what did you do?
There's a line now. There's a line. How can I erase this?
You figure it out, Jose. I don't know.
I can't. You need to wash that
I'm
out.
not watching anything.
It's gonna look so bad.
Well then.
Alright.
You'll make it work. You'll make it work.
Alright. Let's move on.
Jose. God,
I can't.
Okay,
I can't even fix it.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay, that's it. What's next? Like what?
I guess foundation.
Okay, so I literally laid everything down for him. Foundation, like everything. I didn't tell him what it is. He just has to look for it in this pile of madness. So, what's foundation?
Let's do this.
You want to do that one?
Yeah.
Why? Fun. Come on.
Why is it gonna cost you? Oh my god.
I think you gotta show them what you're doing.
Look. Oh. How do you even apply this? You ready?
Okay, go.
You ready?
Go. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
Alright. I can't even put anything on there. That was like a lot.
Oh man, Jose.
Alright, I think we're good.
Okay, now we're gonna blend it.
No. Forgot something.
Oh, yes. Good job, Jose. I was like, how is he gonna forget the nose? Now what? Now what are you gonna blend it with?
I think this.
Yes.
She's gonna tap it in.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Tap
Jose.
it in, you know, in circles. Go. Just trying to get around there, like, you know?
Okay.
No, try to split it even. I just see you do this all the time, you know? While I'm on my phone, on my peripherals.
And you're what?
My peripherals. I think that's how you say it. Yeah.
Isn't that your peripheral?
Is that what you say, or is that what?
That's a lot.
No, I just did a little bit. Don't worry. Thank you. Yeah, how does it not tickle when you do it?
Come on, come on. Because you can't tickle yourself.
Murder?
Like how?
Huh?
Oh god. That's a lot.
Okay.
Oh god, I can feel it. The cakiness. Oh my god. What's next?
Don't you need some here?
Yeah, but
Exactly. So I'm just gonna add to a little bit more. Or maybe on here, I don't know.
okay.
Okay?
Mhm.
So I'm trying to cover everything.
Okay.
So that way I can go move up to the eyeshadow. You know? I think that's what comes next. What is it? Look down. Alright, look up now. Trying to get that one spot. I keep going at it like I can't. Right. Oh, this is even harder because it's on this side.
How are my brows looking?
I don't know about that.
What brows?
Alright.
What's next?
Okay. I guess we'll do the eyeshadow, I guess. We'll go with the eyeshadow.
No extra powders or anything.
I think it's called contour. I don't know what's in here. Ooh, the Morphe palette. I got you that.
Oh yeah, you see that's the one that. No, you didn't. Oh, sad. I like this Let's just take a second. Like, look at this.
How do you even fix it?
Yo, like, how? Like,
Can you
what
fix
is
that?
this? What is this?
I remember you doing something with a spray. Just don't know what it is.
What is that?
Oh, what is it?
What is this?
This is Milani. It says make it dewy. Setting spray. I don't know how much you put on there, but just get.
Okay.
Oh, it actually smells good.
I know. It's amazing.
Alright.
What's your plan? He doesn't even know.
I don't even know. Like,
You just take one thing at a time.
this picture has so much going on. It's like, alright.
Okay. Do you think you have an idea?
I need a brush.
Okay.
Pick the fluffy one. Alright.
Hey.
Oh, this is pretty bad. I'm not gonna go with that. Let's pick a little smaller one. Let's see. Maybe this one right here. Let's go with this one. So I'm gonna try and do, you know, the cheek side right here. You know, or I guess it's called the highlight. I think. Okay. So it says Milani Bronzer XL All Over Glow.
And what's the shade? Read it in the back.
Bronze Glow 01. Which is 2 sides on this thing. Really? Bronze Glow. There's 2 shades on there.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's more like this.
What's this brush called?
This is. It's a number 2 brush by Cosmetics. Okay.
Go.
This is gonna be so bad. I mean, I don't know, just to tap it. I'm gonna do what you do.
Yes.
Wait.
What's wrong?
I'll put some in there because. No.
You call me fat.
Jesus.
Oh, God.
How do you get that glow on there? It's a highlighter.
But who?
Physicians formula. I'm gonna say formula.
Oh, God.
See, it says butter highlighter. Use your hands. I think that's for the eyeshadow. I'm not sure.
What is that?
This is a Real Techniques by Sam and Nick. Setting brush. Well,
Not today.
I still use it.
Do it how you wish. Yup.
Definitely need more.
Now what?
Okay. We'll go into the eyeshadow now. Alright. See this picture? That eyeshadow is like 4 different colors on it.
Okay, and find the 4 colors. Oh, man.
It's not funny. This looks photoshopped.
What are you gonna use?
This is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe.
Yo, do you remember when I wanted to buy this? I had everyone buying it. I'm like,
Yes.
I told him to get on the computer. I told my brother, my mom. I'm like, yo, we're all buying this.
And then we were like overstocked on it.
He bought 2. I bought 2. It was so bad.
Alright. So I'm gonna be using I'm
Okay.
gonna be using this color right here.
What color?
It has no name.
What?
on it.
Which one did you
Actually,
point to?
yeah, actually, I think it's called Firework.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll be using that one. This is Vachi.
No idea. I literally have no idea how that got there. I think it's probably my mom's. Shimmery.
It's nice. It's nice.
Okay.
Ooh.
What? What's the matter?
There's like lines now
Mm-hmm.
from the contour.
Okay. Yeah.
I guess it didn't. Let me grab this real quick.
Okay.
Go like this, because that is really bad. Oh no!
What's that? Be serious.
So bad, 'cause there's some in. I know you pull like a certain line limit. No. You can go up to your brows. I think. But she's like perfectly blending it in.
So I sent you the blending thing. It's just so good. Are you putting that on my lid?
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
Nothing. I don't know what that part is on your eye, but
What part?
right, you know, like
What? Here?
right here.
Like my inner corner-ish?
Yes. I gotta put something else in there.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
So you go like this, but then you know. Don't do that.
You said to look down.
With your eye. How the hell she even blends that out? Alright, to the next eye. I think that took a little longer than it should have.
You've never watched a makeup video before?
No.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know any YouTubers that I watch?
No. I mean, I've watched them with you, I just don't know the name. Oh. I went in a little bit too much. You see here, I don't know if you can see it, but to the corner of our eyes, it's a little smoky color. So I'm gonna grab a new brush. Just, oh yeah. This is by Cosmetics. Number 8. I'm gonna go with this one.
Which color?
That is the 24/7.
Show them.
This one right here. Let me see.
Are you stressing? Yeah.
I don't know what color. We're just gonna go with this. We're just gonna go with this. Is it usually this hard to grab the colors?
No. It's a little low. A little rough, don't you think? You know, wrinkles are a thing.
Ready?
No, just do it. Just do it.
Just do it. Yeah.
I feel like.
Oh, that's. Yo. I'm about to do Illuminati shit right now.
What was that? Come on, you.
Nice stop. Oh, that's bad. Let's see. Picture. How far she goes. Oh, she even got him on the forehead.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she does. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving.
You're like,
I'm trying to do my best over here.
yeah.
Alright, we're done with that.
I'm so scared.
We'll do the mascara. I think this. Yeah, everyone does. This is from Essence / Princess Volume Mascara.
Show them.
Okay.
Oh, what a profesh.
Where's he? He showed them. I didn't poke your eye though.
A little close, buddy.
It's well good.
A little close. Oh,
Stop. No more.
hurry, hurry.
You gotta blink.
You got that shit in my eye.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. You're just over dramatic right now.
Okay, so my camera ran out of memory while we were recording, but all he did was like put on my lipstick, and I haven't even been able to like check myself out. So now it's time for the reveal. Yo, I'm scared. Jose.
It's a masterpiece. What do you mean?
Bro.
I really tried my best.
Yo, my lips are looking kind of crusty.
Yeah. I don't know why that lipstick is like really. It dried out a lot.
It's a matte liquid lipstick. But wait, listen. Eyeshadow is actually not that bad. And the contour, yo, the contour is pretty good. No.
What about the highlight?
Yeah, it's nice. You could have done a little bit more, but
I just felt like it was rubbing off like the foundation.
actually I don't think you did that bad of a job. Maybe next time try setting it. But, you know, other than that, yo, I think you did a pretty good job. On a scale of like 1 to 10, how good do you think you did?
I say a 10 because I'm a professional, you know?
Okay, yeah. I give him a 10 just for trying. So yeah, like this is the finished look done by yours truly, Pasachita. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
This is the final look. Let me show you again one more time what that photo looked
This
like.
definitely looks just like
So this is the photo,
looks just
and
like
this is
it.
me. It's honestly not that bad. He even tried the freckles. I didn't think he was gonna do the freckles. So good job, Jose.
Thank you.
You probably forgot to put like the inner corner highlight and the highlight on the
I forgot. That's why I left the space there.
and the highlight on the nose. But you know what? It's okay. You tried. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look. And yeah, you can even try doing this. From what I know, I don't think I've seen it anywhere on YouTube. So, but if you do know someone that started this before me, then, you know, just comment it down below. And yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really like this. Thank you. Bye.